Yes, friends, very good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Rama Sharma's YouTube, International Pharmaceutical Marketing and Training. Hope you are enjoying the videos. Today is our 22nd episode, and we are going to discuss is how to make effective sales talk. This today's subject is not only for promoter but also for the senior staff like product managers or area managers or higher up, because when we go to meet our customer, what we talk will decide the fate of our business. So how to make what you talk? Well, this is very simple to me, nothing complicated. That you talk what customer like to listen, or how your product or your service will help the customer. So the basic principle is talk what customer like to listen, not you like to talk. Now for example, I go to sell say aceclofenac or any COX-2 inhibitor, celecoxib or rofecoxib, I go. And now I want to give big lecture. This is COX-2 inhibitor, doctor, doesn't cause, the gastric index, the toxicity is very less, and ulcerogenic index is very low. So many things. Okay, these are the, features of the product. Feature. Features. Features of the product. What are the features? So like rapid disintegration, long life, long half-life, biphasic half-life, or good lipophilicity, like doxycycline has a good lipophilicity. You can talk. Every product has so many pharmacokinetic information. Okay? So these are features. But what you should talk in detailing story, friends, is only one. That is the benefits. Benefits your product. How this will affect or help the customer, help the end user. So if you say everything, then doctor, there is a rapid relief of pain with my this without the risk of developing adverse effects. Now doctor, oh yeah, it is more rapid relief, rapid relief. How much time? So this is benefit. Or some people they say, oh, unique selling proposition, USP. So we will devote now how to make an effective sales talk. When you make a sales talk, the sales talk has the what you call body. Though the first part of your sales talk, they say, is something interesting. Something you see when you go as a well-dressed person, you say, "Good morning, sir. I have come from Novartis." Now it has created interest. He is from Novartis. Okay? Or you show some visual, something you have in your hand. You create interest. You draw his interest and you create interest in customer. Okay, he has come. Okay? And now you present him straight. There is no benefit in talking here and there. Today, word is very quick. Nobody is giving you more time. Every second, every minute is costing. So straight you come to the second part, which is the body of the talk. And this body of the talk or text, is straight how your product is one shade better than other molecules, or what new information you have, or what, how it will help him and now. So this is what second part you include in your detailing talk. And here, as I told you, don't talk features. Write down. Features only tell. Features, Features. Features only tell. Tell. Benefits sell. Now, how to find out this statement is feature or a benefit? Very simple. After the statement, after what you write a word, if customer can say, so what? So what? So what? So what? Like you say, doctor, my tablet has quick disintegration. You can say, so what? Or my tablet in my mouth dissolving. I have MD. Mouth dissolving. So what? Is it a reason for me to prescribe your product? Because it is mouth dissolving? It is a fast disintegration? No. He is not prescribing for this. So if after any statement customer can say, so what, means it is a feature. Yes, benefit will come out of feature, but time is limited. So in good effective sales talk, you highlight the benefits. Now how to know this is benefit or not? After your statement, if customer can say, if he can say, why so? Why so? Why? If he can say, why so? Now you say, doctor, my drug provides very quick onset of action by bypassing the GI tract. Very quick onset of action. Why quick onset of relief? Quick relief? Why? Then you say, doctor, because drug is absorbed through the mucus layer. Today sildenafil, this jelly or some strips are available. You don't have to take a tablet. You just secretly take it and put it in your tongue and drug is absorbed. They have made it. So you say, doctor, my drug provides a quick or a quick, the relief or quick pharmacological, any of that word you don't use, but quick relief. So you can say, why so? The patient within just 10 minutes will have good, the blood flow and good hardening and he will quick. Because drug, sildenafil absorption is through buccal cavity. You don't have to take tablet and drug will reach the area. So it is, so you say, oh yeah, it is. So features, remember, only tell. And on features only tell. And benefits, if he can say benefit, then it sells. So benefits sells. Benefits sells. Because while talking to doctors, they are learned, much more learned than us. So just tell the benefit, how, tell him how drug will help the patient and close your talk. There is a small story, although it is from FMG sector. There were some these room heater sellers from Philips and from LG and from other companies, and they were going to an old lady. So somebody has gone from LG and detailed, or any company, XYZ, that my heater consumes less energy, the bill will be less, it consumes less BTU, and also the wire gets heated very quickly, so and space is less. So he detailed all the points. The lady did not buy it. Next time when he comes, he finds other company's room heater was there with that lady. So he asked her, Madam, I am telling you to buy my room heater and you did not buy, but you buy this. Why? Why you buy this? And you know what lady replied? She said, because the other fellow, he told me that this will keep me warm. This will keep me warm. So I buy it. So the other fellow, what is the use of room heater? Why you buy room heater? To have less British thermal unit consumption, to have less energy, or to save energy? No, these are secondary. The first is, will this keep my room warm? Will this keep me warmer? So he just told one word to that lady, Madam, this room heater will keep you warm. You are old, so you need to protect yourself from cold. So this will keep your room warm. Buy it. And she buys straight by one sentence. And the other fellow was giving long lecture. So this small story tells us that to make effective detailing story, focus on how your product will help the patients, all your customers. And he can say, he can ask maximum, why so? Why like this, you tell me? Why? The clarity of the film. You know, now mobile, if you want to sell, you say, I have the camera which has with the clarity is like a camera, you know, DSR or the Canon or good quality this camera. The same quality is in my mobile. You can even make a film. It is so good, like iPhone is highlighting. Now the customer can say, why so? Then you explain, because pixel is very high, this glass is this. So you understand now, features are there. Every product has a feature, okay? Some technical things, and there are benefits. Now if somebody tells me when I buy a TV, sir, this television has high this LED or OLED something, and technical words uses, there is no point. If he tell me, sir, visibility is very clear. By this, visibility is like theater. The sound is like the Dolby, like theater. I go, oh yeah, really? I will go for that. So, in pharmaceutical marketing, particularly, effective sales talk includes more and more benefits in a very crisp, concise and manner, but complete benefit when you say that. And then there are also good visuals. You know, there is a saying, one picture tells 1,000 words. So your product managers or even you know, all the product benefits you accumulate. Based on product benefits, now you design a good punchline. We used to call, and still now calling, positioning of the product. Position it with some slogan. So when customers see that, his mind goes and remembers your product, your brand recall is there with that. So when you remember that picture or that punchline, you remember that product. You know, for example, Nike, just do it. So when you see the arrow, just do it, you remember, yeah, it is Nike. So just do, they have, so all the product benefits accumulate and give one benefit. So just do it means that anything is sports or like that, whatever is there, you do it. Why you are wasting? Whether you use their shoe or these, you run, keep fitness and do it. Just do it. So in pharmaceutical also, I remember, you know, we had a product, great product, Ampilox. And incidentally, it was launched some forms in my time. So we designed a slogan, they are using it. The reinforced antibiotic. There is ampicillin, there is cloxacillin. Together they are reinforcing each other. So reinforced antibiotic, and we give visual. So when doctors see that visual, you know, they remember, oh yes, Ampilox, reinforced antibiotic. So that you design a punchline, a slogan, something which is representing all the benefits, okay, and give benefits. And now, if necessary, dose, something, side effect, special precaution, if it is there, always include in your sales talk. Don't talk everything goody, good. If there is a precaution, always please tell in advance to the doctor. Because a doctor can, if he knows through a promoter about a side effect, it's better rather than from a patient. Now you are promoting, say, salbutamol or acebutol or some beta-2 agonist, and you say, well, doctor, initially there can be tremors. So it will subside after 2-3 days, nothing to worry. It is only in the beginning. So though after 2-3 days, the patient will become accustomed. So nothing to worry. So if patient tells, oh, I had a shivering, he said, don't worry, after 2 days it will go. So if there is something peculiar, you know, something, inform to your customers, friends, and focus on the benefits. So this is how you make a good, effective sales talk. So you go, when you go, there is automatically, you know, interest has come because this promoter has come, doctor looks at you and straight come to the point. You know, don't go too much into personal discussion. This is my experience. Many people believe, be chummy with doctor. Yes, be familiar, be close, but when you go, don't be interested too much in his personal life or personal things. Straight come to the business, because these patients are there, they are waiting. Don't waste time. Straight, doctor, you are a cardiologist. Today I come, I have sublingual isosorbide dinitrate tablet. So for this emergency, this launch it. Just remind brand and say 1 or 2 words. And another thing, friends, these product benefits in effective sales talk, don't say all benefits one time. You can decide that each visit you tell him something new, some new benefit. So he remembers, yeah, you told me last time this. Doctor, you remember, did you try? Have you seen this? And now today is this. So how to make effective sales talk? These are few tips. More and more you will learn. Ask your product managers in the organization. They are highly trained people and they are expert in advertising and in promotion. So they are giving you almost ready-made everything nowadays. And yes, everything ready-made. And you also learn through these tricks. So these were a small session, friends, for you. I hope this will at least ignite some ideas in your mind, and more we will discuss maybe after a few videos. So with this we conclude about how to make effective sales talk. So thank you very much. Enjoy and try make some sales talk and discuss during joint working with your managers, or tell him, sir, I got this idea. Can we talk this? Can we highlight this point? This will help you to even grow quickly in your profession. When you do something more than what you are assigned for, remember, one of the very quick way to grow is do more than what you are prescribed. So when you take extra initiative, when you take extra and you do something, this really, you come in the eyes of seniors and management and you grow. So with this, thank you very much. Have a good time.